Come test drive the 2022 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, tire pressure monitoring system, front stabilizer bar, power brakes, rear stabilizer bar, battery saver, braking assist, traction control, adaptive cruise control, multifunction display. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.